Welcome to Civil Mania. Prestressed concrete is a type of reinforced concrete in which steel wires or cables are tensioned before the concrete is poured. The tension wires or cables are placed inside a mold or formwork and the concrete is then poured around them. As the concrete hardens and gains strength, the tension on the wires or cables is released, which compresses the concrete and puts it under a state of prestress. It improves its resistance to bending, shearing, and other stresses. This can result in a stronger and more durable structure compared to conventionally reinforced concrete. Prestressed concrete is used in a wide variety of construction projects, including bridges, high-rise buildings, and parking structures, among others. Thanks for watching.